was very interesting because the film, was about an architect who built this glass house, and his son was how the architect had died, and the son had this sort of distant relationship with him, a bad relationship, but he had this sort of love affair through the mailbox, which we leave alone for now. But my dad was an architect. We lived in a glass house, so he was a modernist, and so it really intrigued me. And it's like I never really liked the glass house modernist design, so I sort of mixed it with the Regency glass houses like Kew Gardens, tried to put decoration into it. Mm-hmm. So I was really for me, it was like, I'm going to build a glass house on a lake. The problem with that was, my argument to the producers was, the film's called The Lake House. We have the whole film here. And I need to build this house because we can't just have a cabin by the lake. It's not the story. It doesn't serve the story. So I have to spend all of my budget building a glass house, and I can do the rest on location in Chicago. I'm in Chicago, tons of locations. We just have to do it all on location. And so I was in quite a big argument with the producers about spending 90% of my budget on one set, which they finally agreed to because it's the name of the film. But those are the sort of struggles of that film. You have to, for me, we had to define that lake house properly. But big, again, we undertake these things and they're not easy. We're in a national forest. We have to get agreement. We dug out an area and let the lake and built the house where we put a dam up, a mud dam, and we built the house up, and then we took it down and let the water flood in around it. So, you need to you have to find people who are interested in figuring that out. This is the bit I really enjoy.